Model, 63-plate Ford Transit T280 short wheelbase, front-wheel drive van 2.2 TDCi spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 173,217 engine, 2,198 cc 2.2100 ps TDCi-A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary. Runs with a misfire. Injector number 3 needs replacing, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap, retail, £3,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.